Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time to unbox our paper pumpkin for the month. So this one is called Good Things Come in Small Packages. So let's go ahead. Of course, I do not open them until I open them with you. And then on Monday, the last Monday of each month, we go through and we put it together. So, yep, it'll be the day after Christmas, but I'm still doing it. So it looks like we have a basic gray, or maybe, yeah, a basic gray twine. I love all the twines. The color spot is garden green. This is for January's paper pumpkin kit, and it's called Key to My Heart. That is the little hint that we get. And then that looks like that might be this one. So let's go ahead and look and see. Before we open, I'm going to use that white background to showcase the stamp set. It's got Good Things Come in Small Packages. You did it. Graduation. Congrats for you. Cheers to forever. For your special delivery. That one says special delivery. Oh baby, with love. That looks like a little conversation heart. And then happy birthday. So holy smokes, this has all the different occasions, like so many occasions on there. All right, let's open this guy up and see what we've got. It's like our own little Christmas in a box every single month. If you did want to get one for yourself or for somebody else, you can go here to jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net and you could grab them or yourself. Next one's paper pumpkin kit. You could also order a gift certificate for paper pumpkin. If you're looking for a last minute gift, it'll come in an email and then you can just have that for them. So it's really cool. I think it's very well worth it. It's like $23 a month, $22.50. I don't remember exactly, but definitely worth it, and I'll show you everything that comes with it. It comes with directions. Looks like there's some boxes that can be made. And then, of course, when we do ours, we turn them into cards as well, so with some alternatives. We make them the way that they come with the instructions, and then we also do our own alternatives, and we do that live. So I hope you'll join me on Monday. And this looks like, oh, these look like the little bread ties that you put on bread. That's cute. And then there's some little places here that we could stamp. Little labels, and then there's some big labels. I don't know if you could see, they're about yay big. We have a bunch of those. Oh, a whole bunch of those. There's some flowers, stars, graduation hats. We're getting a little bit of everything on here. There's some cupcakes, some leaves, some smaller labels, like little tags, some round labels. Oh, see, this is where it gets me. I just want to start making them right now, but I have to wait. That way you guys can get yours and get ready for your lives. But these look like they're wraps that are going to go around the boxes. And they are double-sided. I was wondering if they were double-sided. So look at that. That's definitely birthday. Graduation. There's some stars for like little baby. And then some little floral. Oh. You guys, we are going to have a good time with these. And then these are the boxes. Oh, multiple colors. Ooh, holy smokes. They're double-sided as well. So we've got insides and outsides. Just more. Yes, pink and green, gray and blue. Of course, these are all coordinating colors. This is like Tahitian Tide. And that's like maybe a balmy blue. And then, of course, always, I love these. These are the Stampin' Dimensionals. I almost get out of my big ones, and then they send me more. I love it. And then a new roll of double-sided tape. It's not a big, huge roll. It's just a little guy, but it'll get us through these. So let's see how many these will make. They're good 16 gift boxes. And then, of course, we always make other stuff. And like that, it can be made into a card, a different type of box, a different type of card. We are going to have so much fun. So Monday, make sure you are subscribed to my channel so that you can get the notification when we go live. And thank you guys so much for being beauties. I hope you are having a wonderful season, and I can't wait to get back to doing everything with you guys. I'll have a sneak peek coming up of my craft room soon, and I will talk with you guys later. All right, take care. Bye.